You hardly even notice when I try to show you this song is meant to keep you from doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep in. Make you banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now. We can pretend they're all the time. Can't you see that it's just raining? There ain't no need to go outside.
Hello, my name is Leah. If you're new here, I've recently moved home. It's been quite a strange move through lockdown, but I'm finally settled in. I'm feeling really comfortable here and it's starting to feel like home. So I wanted to give you a final sort of flat tour, show you around. It's a small apartment, but it's perfect for what we needed. And yeah, I'll just take it away with a bit of a tour. Starting at the front door, I'm just going to give you a little peek of our terrace. So we do have quite a few meals out here, which is lovely, but I'm not going to go fully outside because my neighbours are sitting on their balcony and privacy, you know. Coming in, this is our hallway. We keep our shoes underneath that little unit there that we've got for storage. And this is my first little poster lounge, large poster lounge piece. Absolutely love it. This is our kitchen and it's very modern. We've got one of those taps that gives you automatic hot water. So we never have to have a kettle, which is lovely for my tea addiction. We tend to eat all our meals at the bar rather than at the table. I think that's just because there's two of us and we just prefer it there. This is also a smart oven we've got here, and that means that you can set it off from your phone. I haven't figured out how you do that yet. I think you connect it to an app and it can turn the oven on and off. Turning round into the dining area, which I cannot wait to entertain in. And I'm absolutely loving these two prints here. But first tea, and then the other one says, "Hello, is it tea you're looking for?" I just love tea. I'm passionate about tea, so that was a must when I saw it on their website. This is a little behind the scenes of how I was going to get those frames up. For the next bit, I really want it to be like directly next to it and at the same level. But because I've only got a tape measure and because I'm just struggling to get a nail exactly at 90 degrees from the ceiling and from each other, I just think I'm better off if I do something a bit more arty and do like a skew width off of each other. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go completely contrasting because I don't think I'm going to get it dead identical next to each other. I think that is quite good. I'm really pleased with that. Bit of set dressing. Even though I've got tea on the wall, I'm like, wine? It looks so good. I'm such a DIY goddess. DIY. So now coming from the kitchen into the bedroom, I am really pleased with the way these prints look. I feel like it's just that finishing touch that the room needed. By the way, everyone asks me where those pillows are from, and they're from Primark, which is a shock to both you and me. Got my rail, my mirror and my chest of drawers. It feels quite girly, but that's because I've done the room. Oh yeah, my ottoman. I seem to be really proud of this. I keep showing it off in videos with all my rolled towels. Yeah, I'll keep showing it again. Into the ensuite, just a small one with a shower, WC. A really nice skylight. By the way, all of the lights come on automatically when you walk into the bathrooms, and I really like that feature because I'm the kind of person that can't find the light. All of my toiletries, quite a lot of stuff there. Yeah, I'm getting through them. And then just some under storage here, just loo roll, that kind of thing, nothing exciting, and my makeup. Behind the door, I've got my yoga mats and my foam roller. This is just an example of how indecisive I am, so I thought I'd share this. I can't tell if it's too much and if I should just do one or the other. I know what my boyfriend will think it's too much, but I will probably secretly love it because I like more stuff and he likes less stuff. Switch the light on in here. Let's see what we're doing. Again, can't tell if it's straight. Making a bed look nice is not easy. Now we're going from the bedroom back out
into the open plan living space. The hallway, so this can get really cluttered.
So my idea originally was to have these two next to each other in a sort of like quirky way, similar to what I've got going on in the bedroom, where I've got the two from the same collection next to each other, and then in the kitchen with the two coffee ones next to each other. Tea rather, not coffee. I think because I did go quite big with the sizes, I just think the one looks better here on this hallway. If I don't end up putting this one in the guest bedroom, I will take it back up to my home in the Midlands as soon as it's safe to travel up to see our parents and stuff. Still undecided about that, but I'll keep you posted. This one, which is from our old house, which I've had for a while, but doesn't have doesn't have any plastic over the top, so you have got that annoying shine. Now I'm trying to figure out if this old picture of me and Ash would work above the TV.
In the end, I decided not to put this picture on top of the TV just because I think it will distract from anything you try to watch on TV. There's got to be a reason why people don't put photographs above a TV. So it just took me a while to realise that.
Hesitant to put up a photo of me and Ash in the guest room because who wants to look at our faces when they stay over?
That's the entrance to our guest room, and I thought I'd just show you where I've been keeping our books in this lovely wicker hamper, which was actually a present from a subscriber, probably one of the best presents I've ever had actually. And at the moment we haven't got many books out just because of storage space. Most of our books are stored under the bed, but these are just the ones we're reading at the moment. Into the living room, lovely couch, Atch's bike, which I resented having indoors for so long, but now I'm actually really happy with it. I think it looks really, really nice. So I chose these ice cream prints for Atch online because he has a whole Instagram presence all about ice cream. He's obsessed with ice cream. He does ice cream reviews. I wanted some of the artwork in our house to be for him too. They actually looked really nice when I placed them there at night time when the light wasn't shining through the canvas. So I'll show you what they look like in the evening. I will never get over how much I love this big window. It really is a game changer. Sometimes I wish it opened, but that would be very dangerous, I imagine. And then over here we've got my guitar, my desk. As you guys know, I've been playing a lot more of my guitar lately, doing things like singing underneath these videos, which I'm really enjoying, so I hope to keep that going. Across the other side we've got the main bathroom now, another really beautiful skylight. Sometimes there's bird poo on there, not much I can do about that though. Rainfall shower and a nice bath. Always put out your posh hand soaps if you've got people coming over, guys. Yep, literally just put those out for the video, so I hope that's hope you appreciate that. Atch got me this little extra storage caddy from B&M, which is great for extra toiletries. And then same as before, loo roll and mostly Atch's toiletries above this mirror because he tends to get ready in here, whereas I get ready in our room. Now we're at the guest room. I can't show you inside because Atch is working in there every day. As you know, we're still in lockdown. He's working from home. It's quite hard to disrupt him. Stepping back, this is what the flat looks like when you are standing in the corner near the front door. I quite like the open plan, really. I've never really lived anywhere as open plan as this before. I wanted to show you a little peek of what I call his dungeon, where he works all day. But I just don't think it's appropriate. There's honestly nothing really that exciting in there. I haven't hung any pictures up, so it's not quite finished.
It's editor Leah the next day. Atch has finished work and he's gone out to play basketball. Ever since watching The Last Dance, he's suddenly become obsessed. So wants to be the next Michael Jordan. Anyway, I'm in the dungeon. As you can see, this room is not totally finished, but it's good enough. It's ready for guests. Got this tiny little rail of his work clothes here, but he's not at the office at the moment, so to me this is completely useless. That's it, I think, to the outro that I filmed 2 days ago. Thank you so much for watching that video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a real pleasure to be settled, and the feeling of just when you make a place feel like home, it's a really, really nice feeling. So I'm glad to be here. I'm having my cup of tea now. Feels great. Cheers. And perhaps in the next video we'll talk more about tea, because I know I keep saying it, but I need to make a 25-minute video on how to make tea because there's so many different ways. So yeah, that's coming. I just don't know when. When am I gonna make that? Lots of love. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.
Cause maybe like a ukulele, mama made a baby. Really don't mind the practice, cause you're my little lady. Lady, lady, love me, cause I'ma love you lazy. We could close the curtains, pretend like there's no world outside. We can pretend there all the time.